Alright, class. Right. Focus here. This is a really important part in our writing lesson today. Okay. I will go really slowly so that you guys can catch up, right? I don't want anyone to be left behind because this will be the foundation, right, to our next steps, our next activities, right? To focus on. All right, look at the board, right? I will teach you guys how to construct a sentence in English. Now you guys might say that, well, we just jump in and write, right? As long as it ends with a dot, then it's a sentence. I mean, technically, you guys have to really know how to construct a sentence, because most of the times I have experienced that have graded lots of essays and you guys just write whatever you guys want to write out. So basically you guys make lots of grammar mistakes. We don't want to make grammar mistakes in our writing because it'll be critical, right? So now we will go from like very easy, right, to a little bit challenging. Okay, we will start with simple. Right, we start with simple sentence. So anyone knows what is a simple sentence? What is a simple sentence? Okay, how about you? Yes, in the blue shirt. Yeah. What is a simple sentence? Okay, that's a great idea. Right? Can you guys give me like one simple sentence? Feel free to speak, right? Even if you make a mistake, right? It is just our way to figure out the structure. So don't mind about the mistakes, right? What is a simple sentence? Give me one example. Just anything. Okay, how about you? He is a drawer. Okay. How about you? Can you give me another sentence that you think, right, in your opinion, a simple sentence, right? She is beautiful. All right. So congratulations. You already figured out 50% of all simple sentences. All right. So we need to work this out into like a formula, right? So he and she, we will call them an S, which is a subject, right? Abbreviation for the subject here. Okay. So is to be, right? And then we have drawer. What is the drawer? What is the word? What is the type of what is the type of word is drawer? Is it a verb, or is it a noun, or is it an adjective, or is it an adverb? Yeah, it's a noun, right? It's a noun. And what's the beautiful? Okay, what form of speech is beautiful? Is it a noun? Nah, I don't think so, right? It's an adjective. Right. So this is one simple sentence. One simple sentence. Subjects to be noun or adjectives. Either one is fine, right? So what go on? Right. You guys remember to write out, right? Because we will use this in our next activities. Write out. All right. Now, what if I tell you guys that there is another way to construct a simple sentence? Okay, so I'll give you this. He goes to school. Okay, is it a simple sentence, or is it a complex sentence, or is it a compound sentence? Yeah, it's a simple sentence, right? Right. So as, verb, and object. Okay. Okay, as, verb, and object. Now, this is a critical point. To be and verb, they change. They change according to the tense, right? The verb tense. So try to put in the correct verb and the correct to be according to the tense that you guys are using, right? So today we're focusing mostly in present tense, present simple. So right, to be is either is or am or are, right? Verbs, they will, right, they have to be either es or they will be in the infinitive form. Okay, now note this down. Note this down. Okay, now we move on to the next type of sentence, which is compound sentence. Right, so for a compound sentence, right, don't worry, because after we go through all the formulas, we will try to make our own sentences, and then we will try to correct, and then after we make sure that we understand everything, then we'll jump into practice. So don't worry, stay with me in this part. Right, so for compound sentence, what you guys want to do is, it's actually really easy. You guys want to make two simple sentences, two. So for example, I will make S, V, and O, and then it has S, B, and now, right? So this is one of my simple sentence. This simple sentence number one. This is simple sentence number two. All right. So now I have two. I will connect them by using these and. Right? It's actually really easy, right? Then you guys have the compound sentence, right? Okay, but there are lots of words that functions just like and, right? You guys have so, you guys have but, right? So I want you guys to start with these three first, because they are easy to use, right? You guys cannot mess up this. And you guys have, right, two equal simple sentences. So it signals that this part is the result of this part, and but this the simple sentence number two is the contrast of sentence number one. All right, right. So this is the compound sentence, right? Make two simples and connect them with the conjunctions. Got it? Right. Right. So now we try to work on our last type of sentence, which is the complex sentence. Now, to make a complex sentence, first, easy, make a simple one. See, this is my simple sentence. SVO. Remember to conjugate the verb. Always remember to conjugate the verbs, okay? Right. Now, I will work backward. I will add a comma here, and from here, the beginning of a sentence to this comma right here, I would try to make a phrase. Okay, so what is a phrase? A phrase can be as simple as in the morning. Okay, so in the morning, technically, if you guys just say in the morning and you guys just stand up and go somewhere, the people listen, they will not understand, right? So this is a phrase. A phrase is it has either a subject or or an object, right? It don't contains both of them, so it doesn't make any sense if it stands alone, right? So that's a phrase. I will give you guys a couple of words to open a phrase, right? To open a phrase, and then we will jump into our practice to know how to construct a phrase and a complex sentence, right? In short, try to make a simple sentence, then go backward, right? And then make a phrase. That is the easiest way that I can think of. Okay,